Now, this is how you can download exercises to your Apple Watch. At first, let me begin by saying that the Apple Watch workout app, which is built in, is very extensive when it comes to the exercises types which you can track. Like if you get inside in here, I'm sorry about that. When you get inside of the workout application on your Apple Watch like this, you can see there are so many different workout types which you can pick from. Like we've got the outdoor walk, indoor walk, runs, indoor cycle, swimming, and plenty of different options to pick from. To add more, just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on add workout, and now this is a list of essentially every type of activity that there is, sorted alphabetically, so you can choose American football, Australian football, so many different things which are not that common. So at first, start with this, and if you still want something different, let's say you want like a guided workouts, not just to track your existing workouts, there are some other apps you might want to look into. Essentially, you have to get them from the App Store, of course, but there is one which I personally use. I'm pretty sure that there are many of them actually, but I personally used Fitify for some time in the past, and it is like a workout application which also has the Apple Watch version. Essentially, there are many different like workout types, and you can see that it gives you like plank raises, diamond push-ups, whatever, and it tracks everything on the Apple Watch. So if you're looking for something like this, you might look into some kind of workout app specifically with the Apple Watch version, right? So you have to look into this. This requires you to have like a subscription if you want more stuff. I mean, I'm not affiliated with them or anything. It's just something which I can give you, like a heads up that I used. But obviously, there are many other apps. You just want to make sure that there are versions for the Apple Watch as well in case you want to use it, right? So you can check out the workout apps like this. There is another one right here, and you also have this UI for the watch. So you need to pick the one that you like, but there are plenty of them available for the Apple Watch. So let me know down below in the comments if there's any specific one you like. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Foxtecc, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.